Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Ensure battery is above 20% and you backed up important data. This prevents interruptions. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging because ADB gives you a safe exit path. Make sure you know the exact device model and Android build since recovery menus differ by vendor. Connect the phone to a PC with a reliable USB cable. Now open a terminal on the PC so you can run the first ADB commands. You'll verify the connection with a DB devices. If the phone appears, you're ready. Then you'll use a DB reboot bootloader to leave recovery or a DB reboot to jump back into the system. Choose based on the menu you see. If the bootloader is accessible, fastboot reboot often forces a full restart. Once done, you may use a DB sideload to install a small OTA that repairs recovery issues. Keep watching the device screen and the terminal output so you can respond quickly to errors. You finish by rebooting and confirming the phone boots into the regular Android OS, test calls, Wi-Fi, and apps to verify integrity. If recovery mode returns, you'll reflash the stock recovery or, as a last resort, flash the full factory image. Do this only with the correct files for your model. Make sure to follow vendor instructions and keep USB debugging enabled. Troubleshooting tip. If commands fail, reconnect the USB. Update ADB/fastboot, then repeat the ADB or fastboot steps immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.